Hello friends and neighbors, this is Robert at Daybird Aviaries. For most of this short little video, Jeremiah will be doing the filming. He is our youngest son, our 9-year-old, and I think he did a wonderful job. Y'all make sure to leave him a comment below and I will make sure that he sees it. Now this is Fred the Cockatoo and he's eating a bell pepper. Actually, he's just holding a piece of bell pepper in his beak. I guess I interrupted his meal, but he's just a beautiful bird. I like the way Jeremiah got up real close with him. And there he goes. He's going to take a bite now. Isn't that amazing how he holds the food so delicately in his foot and maneuvers it around with his beak? Yeah, he dropped the whole thing. The pheasant jumped up onto the perch with him. It didn't scare him, but he dropped it anyhow. Maybe it did scare him. I don't know. And we've moved all of the the cuckoo marins into the cockatoo corner, and they are cleaning up all the spilled food. And this is Oscar. Y'all know him. He's our crazy dancing, singing, talking cockatoo. He's enjoying some sweet potatoes, making a big mess for those chickens to eat. And this is the younger pair of umbrella cockatoos. Now all those sunflower seeds that you think in that food bowl, those are sprouted sunflower seeds, and you know that sprouting seeds changes the nutritional value of the seed, so y'all don't get worked up over that. And we have to put this wire grid over the top to keep them from spilling the whole thing, but that's just fine. They eat right through it. Now these are Jeremiah's favorite birds. He calls these the army birds, and of course they are military macaws. It's Ingrid and Doodles. And these two are bachelors. They're both males. It's a Scarlet in front and a green wing behind. The bird that you see in the very background, that is Flag. She is a female Scarlet macaw. We're going to get her together with this male very soon. Aren't they beautiful?
Macaws. This one's probably a boy. The other one's probably a girl. Here, you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next page, okay? Okay, here's the next one. Pretty. Pretty the last step. Macaw. Whoa. That was scary. That body almost bit me. Next, not least, give me some 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. Oh, look at these. These are army macaws. Buddy. Hey, stop! Stop it. This girl. This boy. This one is Ingrid. The girl's Ingrid, I believe. The boys.
Well folks, I hope you liked Jeremiah's little video. As always, I invite you to please subscribe. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button to give us a like. And please, share this video with all your friends. Whatever social media platform that you feel most comfortable sharing on. Like I say a lot, Facebook works really good for us. Well, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye-bye.